Welcome back for my final morning report chart appraisal on Thursday, 4th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at gold now for the final chart, and it's interesting because the gold price had come off from 13.21 yesterday, posted a first negative candle really for a number of weeks, really about 3-4 weeks. Market fell away, but seems to be holding on to this uptrend, which has been in place since the bottom of the price in December. Comes in around 1300 on that uptrend, so we're still hanging on to that move, and the fact that the market is sort of back into this sort of belly of support of the pivot 1300 to 1310 and holding on to that. A couple of sort of moves back into that range have been bought into, and again early morning today 1305 was the low, but bought into that and sort of rallied about $8. So still pretty positive. That's a decent reaction, I think, from the gold bulls today. And you can see this on the hourly chart, where we sort of picked up in the Asian session. Now the hourly MACD lines are probably the main concern about this move at the moment, having gone negative. And you'd say that if they sort of start to fail underneath neutral, that could become a concern. Look out for the hourly RSI as well. If that fails under 60 again, would that again start to be a concern? Also sort of starting to, if it sort of begins to form lower highs. So you're looking at 1318 as that sort of first lower high. If that starts to build a sequence of lower highs, then maybe that we can start to see pressure again on the uptrend. But for now, we're still hanging on, we're still positive. The reaction this morning has been good by the bulls, but it needs to continue. But as I said, basis of support 1300 to 1310, currently the low of today's trade 1305, so still hanging on. So that resistance of 1321, move above that obviously would continue the uptrend, 1334 and then 1357.50 being your resistances overhead. But still pretty positive on this gold outlook. Momentum strong on the daily chart, pretty much across the board. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you again tomorrow.